Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do A2P registration. So to do A2P registration in GHL you need couple of things like you need a website, a privacy policy, a terms of service, and you need the business profile filled. Yeah. Let's continue with the A2P registration. To do A2P registration you need to go to settings, phone, and go to phone systems, and then click here press enter, and here you will see A2P messaging SMS, and click here start registration. Click on this, like fill in these options will be pre-filled. Yeah, you can check this is it correct or not. Yeah, these are good to go. Click on continue here, and yeah, it will catch the information from the business profile, and just double check it. Yeah, these seems good. So yeah, click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. And now we have to enter the campaign details. So here are two campaigns, high volume, low volume. So select according to your preference. So default one is low volume. I will also choose the 6 with the low volume, it's recommended. So I will click on continue, and you can there are two flows, quick setup and manual setup. So quick setup is the simpler one. You just need to add a chat widget in the website. Yeah, and the manual setup you have to manually enter the campaign details. So the quick setup is the recommended one and a faster one. So I will go with the quick setup and just click on continue. And here I will select the messaging use case, it's marketing and promotional. I will select the mix use case, and just double check the business website URL. It should be working. Yeah, it's working. And yeah, it will give you the chat widget code. You just need to copy this code and add it to the website, and I will add this in the website. Just a second, I am adding this in the website. So you need to open the click copy the code and just open the website. Just a second, I am opening. So yeah, go to sites and go to the website that you have created in GHL, and paste the code in the body tracking code and save it. Yeah, it will add the chat widget in the website, and just go to the website, refresh the website. Yeah, the chat widget is being added. The chat widget has been added. Yeah. And now you just need to go to you just need to continue. Click on continue. Yeah, addressing like in the website no contact us page should be there, like only the chat should be there, only one type of index should be there in the website. So yeah, I have moved the form from the website, and there is only a chat widget in the website. And now you just click copy code, continue. Oh, sorry. Just click here, check the all of these, and yeah, it is pre-filled. You just need to click on review application. The compliance review will check all the pages of your website, the terms and privacy, and the home page. Yeah, just a second. So yeah, the compliance has checked our pages, and yeah, these are good to go. Click on proceed and just review your application. Check all the things here. Just check all the business information, address, all the things. And once you check all these, click on submit application. I'm just checking the URLs if they are correct or not. Yeah, everything seems like good. All the URLs are working, and now I will click on just submit application. and check all these check boxes, confirm. It will take just 1 minute to confirm. Yeah, the A2P has been submitted successfully, and firstly the brand will be approved and the campaign will be start after the brand, once the brand got approved, and it will typically take 7 to 15 days to get the A2P verified. It's the maximum time that it can take, but the minimum time it can take is 24 hour, and maximum is 15 days. Yeah, in the time period of 15 days the A2P can get verified. And if you have any questions regarding this A2P, you can contact the GHL support. They will help you in this A2P verification process. Yeah, thank you.